Hi, today I will share how to create product animation in Canva. Open Canva and choose your project size. I will choose social media, Instagram post. Upload your product photo. Remove the background. I will crop the transparent box. Increase the size. And choose a background color. I will use this green. Go to element. Add an apple photo. I will ready the size and place it here. And slide it here. And then add a text. Press T on your keyboard. Change the font to a bold font like Futura display. Increase the size. Change the alignment to left. I will place it here and change the color to white. Now let's drag a ruler here. If your ruler doesn't appear here, go to File, Setting, and Show Ruler and Guides. Alright, now I will drag the ruler from the left to here, and from the top to here in the corner, and from the top to here for the fruits, and then one for this text, and from the left to here, and then from the left to here the fruit. Okay, now let's add another pages. I will make 4 pages here, and this one, the second page, I will add this orange juice, remove background, and move it here. Increase the size so it will be the same size for every pages. And then add element of orange. Place it here. Okay, and then the text, just copy from here. Paste here and change to the text to orange. Reduce the size. Okay, change the background to orange color, and then do the same for the other 2 pages. And then go to duration. I will set it to 3 and apply to all pages. Click it. Click duration again. Click space between pages and add transition. And then choose flow. I choose direction here. You can choose here or here or here. I will choose this left direction and then click apply between all pages. Let's watch it. Alright, close it and then click share, download, MP4 and click download. So now you have it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.